With Season 4 of Stranger Things coming out recently, I was inspired to make some waffles that I think are a close replica to Eleven's favorite frozen waffle. Now, this isn't a 100% copy, but it's my favorite way to make waffles right now, so I thought I'd share it with you. And this recipe is actually a variation of my cornbread pancakes, but the flour to cornmeal ratio is slightly different, and it does change the overall flavor. So if you want to go make cornbread pancakes, check out the link down in the description for that recipe. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 2/3 of a cup of cornmeal. Then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help give it that signature rise, and then the dry ingredients are all whisked together until they're combined. Now, just like Uncle Roger, I'm going to add the maple syrup based on feeling rather than an exact amount, but I would recommend no more than 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Then for the liquid, I'm going to add a cup of oat milk, but use regular milk if that's what you prefer, and then I'm going to crack in 1 egg and begin whisking until the batter starts to come together and the flour is fully hydrated. Lastly, I'm going to add in 1 stick of salted butter that was melted in a microwave for about 30 seconds to become soft. Then once the butter is added, I'm going to beat the butter until it's free of lumps and smooth, and it's time to make waffles. Now this is old reliable, and she's seen better days, but she still makes great waffles. So with any waffle maker, it's important to preheat them, so they will cook quickly and evenly between batches. Once mine was heated up, added about 1/3 cup of batter to each side, and then close it to start cooking the waffles. If you add too much batter, it can leak out the sides like this one, so it's better to add a little less batter. A fancier waffle maker might give you a sound or a light indicating when it's done, but for me, I just have to check it after about a minute, and they weren't exactly golden brown to the color I was looking for, so I waited a little more time, and this is the results of the first batch, which despite preheating is always the most fickle no matter what you do. So now that the waffle maker is fully up to temp, I'll make one more batch just to show you, and this is the result of that one, which is a slightly paler yellow color, but still fully cooked, and just as delicious. They have a little bit softer texture. These are super easy to make and great for the summertime when you don't want to turn on your oven. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on further videos, and I'll see you again soon.